Ah, how is everybody? Oh my god. Good morning. Good morning. ah. Whew. Today is a lot colder than before, like the past week. It's like it's actually starting to get autumn these days now. I'm starting to wear hoodies now, guys. This is a big this is pretty serious. Man, it's really starting to get cold. So I'm kind of sad because I used to just like whenever I need to go out, I start wearing my sandals because I'm too lazy to wear shoes. But now I can't do that in in like good conscience. Just freely walking outside in sandals because that would just freeze my feet and I hate feeling cold compared to doing work. That's a little sad, but you know what? It is what it is, though. But how are you all doing? I'm doing great. Like I said, it's cold, but you know what? We get through those days. We get through those days. And speaking of which, we're gonna be doing something new today. We're gonna be working on our own little project for now. I'm gonna be working on that fishing game that I conceptualized last stream, or last game dev stream, basically. So yeah, I'm gonna be making it a real, as they would say, or I guess it would more be like keeping it real, but I don't know. But yeah, uh, you know what? I'ma just head right in. Wait, wait, okay, yeah. So yeah, I said we're gonna be working on the foundations of this thing, but honestly, it's a little tricky from from what I have to think about and how we're gonna plan this out because if we're doing this the way I was thinking of doing this, we're gonna be making like a big old stretch. But you know what? You know what? Actually, instead of opening this, let me open an art program and draw out like plans and shit. Yeah. You know what? Yeah, that sounds like a good idea to me. Hold on, hold on. Oh, my dinner. Oh, dinner. Oh, look, it's my gesture drawings. Oh, critter. Do we really need to do this in Krita though? You know what? I'm just gonna do this in Notepad. No, not Notepad. Paint. I spelled paint wrong, but it's okay. Dude, why? Oh man. Okay. Okay. Dude, why is it always like this though? Oh my god. What is this? What is going on? Okay. Let's close that up and out. Alright, never mind. You are not working, sir. Alright, fine. I'll just do it like this. Whee! Okay. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna be doing like, let's say this is like the water. Wait, maybe we gotta do blue. Like this is water and shit, right? Like the playable field goes all the way down here. So like this is like, say the screen size, and this is like us, and it has a fishing rod, and then it's like, whoa! But like on along the way, they're like little fishies. I'm just, oh, orange like goldfish. It's like little fishies everywhere. Yeah, that's a fish. That's a fish. Don't fucking judge. All right, there's fishes like, and they're going this way, or like some of them are going this way. Some of them have like funny patterns. Maybe we can work on the AI for that later. And then yeah, that's the basic idea. And then I guess this is like a programmable dead zone. So like once we reach here, we tell fish, or like reel in. I don't know why I said fish. Reel in zone. I'm very bad at naming, but don't worry. So it's like goes all the way back up, and then probably have some UI for like the health, I guess, something like that. HP, and that's pretty much it, I'd say. Yeah, that looks pretty good for me. Yeah, yeah. This is it. This is our humble beginning. I wonder if any of you guys can understand what this drawing is saying, because I don't. The plan, dude. How the hell does Meowian draw with a mouse? I uh, oh, there we go. That's me. That's me. Me. Okay, okay. I think we conceptualized enough. All right, let's see. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh, wait. Actually, looking back at it now, what do we need first? We need a container for all of these fish objects. Uh, to math, whatever. Fish. We need like container for fish right now. We'll probably just place them. I don't know. Oh wait, actually, there's a lot we might need. Shoot, I didn't even think about that. Coding wise, and then I didn't think about it coding wise either. Let's see. How long are you? How down are you to pay Meowian for game assets? I would be totally down. Oh my god. Yo, if me and Meowian could just work on games, yo, that would be crazy. Crazy. But you know, this is gonna be a shitty little game, so I don't know. A little muffin. Okay, yeah, but we need like keep track of fish somehow. Like like a fish monitor. Fish monitor? Keyword pay. Don't think game making is her passion. Oh. Yeah, she's kind of more into the VTuber stuff right now, huh? But I think she would be down for it though. especially for like stuff like this, like something simple, you know. That shouldn't be too bad. What's MP? Where's MP? Oh, that's me. That's me. Bro, I'm so sorry for my shitty ass mouse spelling. I started using a text board because I needed to actually jot this down. Fish count. Oh shit. There's so many levels we can break this down to. Okay, you know what? I'll break it down to like a level and then we could go from there. So we have fish, possible fish. Um Possible fish depth. So how far we can go down to the real, like all the way here. Uh and then yeah, it's possible fish and depth right now. And if we really wanted to make it like really crazy, we could specify like different spawn areas, spawning mechanics and stuff like that inside the level info. But right now we're just gonna keep it simple and like how do I strike through? Oh, it's right here. What is the shortcut for strike through, by the way? Right, so that's one thing that we can make. And then we have player. No, I don't want the strike through, please. We got the player, and the player has like health and fish caught. Something like this, basically. Oh fuck. No, take me back. No. Player, fish caught, health. And then it's like process, whatever. In fact, you might want to make a game dev chat in Discord if you want to talk about game dev, or better yet. Oh my god, that's such a good idea. You know what? Thank you for the ideas, I'm gonna do that actually. And then I could help discuss ideas and stuff with everybody. And we could have a fun little game dev community. Oh man, that's so fun. Yeah, why not? I will do that later though. But please remind me. Please remind me. I have a strong chance of I'll just forget. Okay. So we have this. Um what about like mechanics? Controls? Tap slash I guess let's just use it like as if it was a phone game. I feel like that would be the simplest, but yeah. Tap slash click to drop. I don't know. How would you describe it? I guess it would be like to go deeper. Like hold tap slash click to go deeper. That's a you know what? Don't think too hard on that, guys. Yeah. This is our shitty little details. Oh yeah, depth is represented by real end zone. Okay, okay. Possible fish, that's like these things. We have fish, like a movement AI, something like that, maybe. Like a worth, like Monet. That's not the money sign. That's still not the money sign. Money. And then I don't know. I think that's it for now. Oh, I guess like a graphic too. Image. Or I guess Sprite. But not the soda. Not the soda Sprite. Dude. We're just littering this piece of paper, bro. I think that's it. Okay, yeah, 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 okay. I think we're good. Save this. Oh, let's not save that actually. Okay, okay. Wait. I'll save it on the other screen. Wait. 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 Hopefully nothing got revealed at all. Something might have gotten revealed actually. Well, remind me to blur this out. Oh boy. That's all it was all my ghost pictures, man. Holy moly. Uh Shoot. What the heck? Where is it? Fish plan. Okay, you know what? In the meantime, I will just like start drawing assets. Like shitty assets. File new. Here is dude. Wait, where's my pen? Oh, there it is. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, Fisher. Oh my god. Do I have to I have to save this everywhere. Don't I? Man, stupid ass like window captures don't work, man. Oh, okay. Oh my god, why is this so big? Okay, this is actually way better than I thought it would be. Okay, great. Shit. Let's put you down here. Okay, there we go. All right, now we have this. This will work. Okay, great. Now I can save it. Okay. Okay, guys. Fishman. I guess that's kind of rude because he's not really a fishman. How do I? Oh, I crop it like this, right? Dude, goaded. Yes, like a new dude. And then this is like a little test fish. It's a goldfish. It's a goldfish. The snack that smiles best. Yes. Fish. Yes. Oh, we're cooking, guys. We are cooking. Okay. Let me switch into this now. Oh, what the hell? Wait, actually, now that I think about it. Pages? All right, where did I put y'all? What the hell? Why are you in here? Okay, whatever. Well, I guess you're in here now. Documents. Dude, I accidentally created this project inside another project, and it's so weird. Why do they always do this to me? Whatever, it's okay. Oh my god, look at our assets. Yo. Yo. Oh wait, this is the fish plan. Okay, we can put it over there. Dude, that's us, man. I guess we could do it like this. And then this is like basically just a fish. So, all right. Fish. Uh oh shoot, we need a hook, don't we? Okay, wait, let me make a hook too. Let me go and make one real quick. Paint! MS Paint, my hero. Wait, what color should a hook be? It can be brown. It can be brown. Yo! Wait. Oh my, artsy. Artsy. That's a G. That one's a G. Oh, wait. I got this. Oh, that's a hook. Okay, nice. All right. Well, we got a hook now. Okay, we're gonna mess with scaling later. So, dude, why is this not? Okay, there we go. I'm gonna make it two, so it's a lot noticeable. Uh, all right, and then we can attach like rigid bodies and stuff to it, so we can detect like collisions. Hook. Fish plant is whatever we can put in there. Fishman, that's the player. Master player. Ref. reference. Okay. So looking at the fish plan though. That's the fish plan, guys. Okay. Okay, I get it. I get it. Think we should try. So definitely the camera follows the hook. That's for sure. But that's later. We just want to make sure we can send this, control this to go down and stuff. So let's do that. Uh, New script. Wait, actually, wait. What was I got to check like what. This is not it. We have to check the preferences for like our input stuff. That's fine. Um, is it in preferences? No, I think it's in settings. What am I doing? Input system. Okay, there we go. Hmm. Wow, there's so many different actions and stuff. Value action will start and perform when a control. Oh my god, you guys can't even see this on the stream. I'm like looking in input actions right now inside project settings. Ooh, it'll cancel when controls go back to default value. Also, when enabled, a value action will respond right away to a control's current value. A button action will start when a button is pressed. Perform when the press. What? When the button threshold is reached, if it will cancel when the button is going below the release threshold. Button is already pressed when the action is enabled. Oh, it has to be released. And pass-through action will not explicitly start and will never cancel. Instead, for every value change, the action will perform. Oh, that's kind of weird. Okay, well, whatever. That was kind of weird for me. New script. Call you. Uh, Actually, you know what? Let's make a script folder. What am I doing? I'm doing a script. I'm doing a script, not whatever I thought I was doing. This is not it. This is just a model. This is just an empty C sharp script. Oops. It's supposed to be model behavior. Player controller. Oh, you guys can't even see in this part too. Ooh, that's all I'm gonna do. Maybe that's what I was meant to do. I don't know. Okay, you know what? Let me switch this out. Whoosh. Okay. What is this? What is that going on? Okay. So we want the player controller to pick up an input. Oh, what kind of input? Mouse down, right? Let's do mouse down. Unity engine. Oh my god, it's uppercased it. Is it? Oh my god, it's been a while since I did input. Actually, it's just been a while in general. Unity engine. System. Library. Uh, fuck. What was it? Oh my god, I don't remember. This is the biggest upset in the world. Oh my god, you. Oh. Mashing? Wait, yo, Eggman, chill. Chill, don't worry. Don't worry. This is all about reading now. Fuck it. Is this set up right? Wait. Let me set up. Let me play it safe. Let me play it safe actually. Okay, I knew it. Okay. Yeah, that was not set up safe. You can read? I can read. I'm not a dumb dog, I swear. I'm not a dumb dog. Fuck. Dude, input system unity. Oh, okay. Okay, so you have to do that basically for input systems. Oh, you know what? I forgot to set this up. Oh god, maybe I am a dumb dog. Oh, Meowvian! Hello. Hello. How are you doing? You know what? I'm in the middle of coding, but I can show you my progress so far. Guys, do you guys like what you see? This is my plan. This is my plan for my fishing game that I'm making right now. This is pretty much the rough sketch. I got like you got some HP, and then you're like this dude, and you're like fishing, and as you're playing as a hook basically. The fig game. Oh my god, no, not the fig game, bro. Bro, no. But yeah, he's like, are just gonna reel in a bunch of fish as you go down, and then once you reach the bottom, you go all the way back up, and like you can catch more fish, basically. And that's the idea of it. It's based off I don't know if you guys heard this before, but if you guys know, you know. Those who know, it's based off ridiculous fishing. So we're gonna be doing that and seeing how far we can recreate it, basically. Okay. But yeah. Oh, input. Project settings. Move. Let's delete most of these. Can I rename this? Oh, just delete. I'm gonna delete all of you. I don't need you. Our game is simple. It's just gonna be one action. Real. Because we're real out here. Wait, what is this doing in? Wait, let me pull up the docs, the documents. But how are you guys doing though? Welcome. Are you all having a good night? 'Cause I'm having a good night. You know what I did today? I ended up playing so much Hades 2, and I'm almost done. So maybe I'll continue it later today and finish finish the game so I can work on other stuff. That's literally been my cycle like this whole time. I've just been like working, and then a new game comes out and I'm like, "Oh, I have to play it." What a day you had. Wait, Navi, what do you mean? Wait, I mean, Zine, what do you mean? What a day. Whataburger. Do you guys know that Whataburger is the only fast food restaurant with W in the name, or that starts with W? Isn't that crazy? Okay, no more. Focus. Focus. Oh, my brain. Man, I was not built to work. I was built to have fun. Input actions, right? Create and assign the default project-wide actions. Stores your input configuration in the actions asset. When you first install the input package, you must create this actions asset. Oh, oh, who, who did that? Who did? You did not just walk me. All right, I guess I have to take a walk. Give me a sec. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, guys, touch like grass. That's rude. Excuse you. That's so rude. Oh my god. But look, I think I found something cool, guys. Wait. Oh shit, where am I? Wait. Oh, I found a bone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. I found a bone. I found a bone. Ah, it's my bone. My Oh, it's gone. Hmm. I'm not. Oh, whatever. Doggone day. By the way, Gal, you want me? I'm going to confirm a certain piece of lore. There's some lore I don't know about me. What would you do if I saw a squirrel? I'd go. How do you do, squirrel? What a fine day to be walking around. I will not chase you. And then the moment the squirrel turns their back, I get him, and it's over. Shouldn't have let your guard down. You should not have let your guard down. Performative dog? No fucking way, bro. No fucking way. I am not a performative dog. I'm an actual dog. Ow. I just cracked my bones. Ugh. Stretching. Man. Wait. Wait. Huh. You know, today is actually no, yesterday was my friend's birthday. Okay. Yeah, yesterday was my friend's birthday. But also today is my my sister's boyfriend's birthday. And that's crazy already. Like there's so many birthdays stacked day after day, right? Without that, my mom was like, "Yo, today's your sister's boyfriend's birthday," and I was like, "What? Oh, wow. Okay, I guess I'll say happy birthday." And I found it kind of like confusing how my mom knew or like scheduled it, and I was like, "What? That's kind of weird." But then later, my sister came over today and was like, "Oh, it's my boyfriend's birthday," and I was like, "Oh, that's why my mom knew." Yeah, they be chatting up my sister, my mom. Yeah, they be yapping on the when I'm not around. So I'm like, "Oh, that makes sense actually." It's good to see that the relationship is thriving though. But yeah, how the fuck? What the fuck am I doing? Touch. Can I do click? Is that another thing? I guess it's more like button. Button's action will start when a button is pressed and performed when the press threshold, see default button press point and settings, is reached. What the hell does that even mean? Chat, I'm not built for reading. How did I graduate? What is I heard this somewhere before. Dog heaven also double as squirrel hell. Efficiency? That's crazy. I can't believe they put efficiency in heaven. Efficiency 4? What is the most performative move you guys pulled? Huh. Maybe me flexing. Oh, I guess yeah, it's just me flexing. I'm like, yes, check out my muscles. And I have no muscles. Maybe. Please don't make the other joke though. I know what a certain someone is thinking. I'm like, oh, look at my balls. What am I saying? Never mind. Let's get on to the let's focus. I'm never gonna get this done. I'm never gonna actually get this done. What the hell? It's so weird. Okay. I have to do that apparently. Assets? What? Where is there you are? Lol, it's been a while since cat stream commissions. This might be why. What do you mean? I don't know what you mean by that. Like me? Is it my fault? No. No. This or job gave so much free time that stream commissions isn't needed anymore. What? No. I'm pretty sure Miyavi is just there's just so much commissions she has to do that it gets pretty tiring, you know? Uh yeah, I think it's the same for many artists because it's a lot tiring to like work at other people's art and then you realize, oh, I want to do my own art. It's like trying to separate it from becoming a job than a hobby, I'd say. Which is crazy because I like games and I'm doing game dev and I do want to make this into like a job at some point, but at the same time, I can't picture myself making games I don't want to make, you know? So that's very hard on me. Oh, okay, wait. Let me put this down. Oh, very nice, very nice. Wait, can I edit this actually? Wait. Default action maps and actions. Each default action has bindings to several different. How do I make my own stuff though? Oh my god. I mean, do you want to get hired by a game dev company or get a small indie devs together? Just don't want to call the shots, huh? Ah, it depends, honestly. I feel like right now I don't have much experience, so I would prefer the game dev company. But like the dream is obviously small indie devs banding together to create some godly game, insane game, and not just that, but it's a game for the gamers. So the pricing is on point too. I feel like that's what is missing so far in this current generation of games. It's just like we have to have more games like Hades 2 or Silk Song, for example, where the pricing is on point. But I understand that in terms of like development wise, like making a game like any of the games I just mentioned is is unbelievably hard. Like there's too much involved in the process, so it's a miracle that they actually released it so low. But you know what? That's community. That's the community, guys. I mean, when hobbies turn into jobs and not fun anymore, it's more so they don't get to call the shots anymore, and they feel they lose control. I don't think I would agree with that personally. I guess that's more like on a control basis. I mean, some people are more suited designing the game. Other people are more like, I don't want to design. I just want to program. Like, tell me what you need to get done, and I'll do it. You know. I feel like if it was me, I'd rather just stick to the programming. But designing would be cool. It's just like I feel like I'm more suited to just keep my head into the programming. Just focus on like what I can get done instead of oh control of their own life. I mean, not others. So when hobbies turn into jobs, they call the shots. Control of their own life when they wait. They, hmm. I don't know what I'd say about that. I guess in a sense I understand that it's like games need playtesting to see the direction follow through. But I don't know what you mean by control of their own life, though. Aren't you always in the control of your own life? Basically, do you think Miavian would enjoy art as much if in her job she's forced to do other people's work all the time? Not like have free time of her own work. Oh, like instead of working on her own stuff, she has to babysit other people, basically. Uh, I guess that's fair too, because I know a lot of other people are struggling with finding work that's related to what they want to do, but instead of doing what they want to do, they're like stuck at like basically like intern style work and like really low level secretary apprentice type shit. Yeah. But I mean if it's a hobby that you want to turn into a job, then I feel like in terms of indie development, you have you're you're set on the control, you know? So that being said, when am I starting an indie game company? Oh, that's a dream. That'd be so cool. Maybe when I make games and I have like confidence in my own skills though. Because right now, like look at me. I have no idea how to set up input actions right now. I'm like, what the hell? What is going on? Bro. I gotta learn this though, because it seems like it's gonna be very helpful. Wow. Add binding. Oh, delete. Mouse. Left left but left button? Right button? Left button. What does forward and back mean? Press? Press? What does press mean? Oh my god. Oh, I can see Young starting an indie thing and looping you in. Oh yeah, I could. I don't know. I feel like actually he'd be the type to be like a director sort of thing. I could see with that. Can you join? Of course, scene. If you wanna join, you're free to join. In the imaginary game dev company. I can help make art if you ever want. Oh, great. Thank you so much, Miavian. Oh, honestly, if you're like free or you feel like it isn't too much of a trouble or like a bother, I will definitely ask you for stuff. Not too much, of course. Maybe I'll ask you for like background. I don't know. Yeah, but you should probably work on your commissions though. Thank you though. Thank you. Oh wait, where was I on? I was on this. Okay. Ugh. Dude, why is it taking me so long just to read these? I don't understand. Pay you for background. You think Miyagi ain't getting cut? Of course not. I will pay. I'll pay. Commission. Is that more like is that like a commission or is it more like hiring? I don't know. Bum, 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 bum. Dude, why is this recommended? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try doing this my own way. Wait. Okay. I think this is it. This is overly complicated than it needs to be. I think. I don't know. If it was for an indie game, I'd be willing to do it for free. Oh, really? With a contract for future pay after publish. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Ask for company shares. You know, I would be down for that. I don't even know how the business world even looks. I think this is it. I think this is enough. All right. How to call in code. Okay. Move action. So I guess real action. We have put action, real action, real action, input system dot actions dot find action real. That's action we're looking for. Oh my god, I just finished competition. Yay! Yo, congratulations. Congratulations. Everybody wish Meowian a congratulations right now, or else I will ban you. What commission was it? If you, if you're not like under like like an NDA or some shit like that, I don't know. Or if you don't mind. I don't remember seeing this anywhere. You effectively allocated entities for later use, right? No. Real action. Vector 2. Do read value. Jump. If pressed, jump code. Is that dude, this sample code is so like ambiguous. Oh, streamer icon profile pic. Nice. Congratulations. Yeah, yeah. Hooray. Oh, happy day. Okay, so if real action dot is pressed, guess we can do log and that's basically the idea. But later on we want to send. So we're gonna make up the send code. Oh, that's kind of weird because if we do that, then we have to like. Oh, we have to tell the fishing hook to descend, don't we? Okay. almost done with Zine's commission. Oh my god. That's crazy. Yo, Zine, are you ecstatic? I honestly expected you to stream my commission just to find ways of messing with me a bit. Oh. That'd be funny. You just make like a joke stream. And you're like, yeah, I finished it. Here you go. Actually, I have a lot this month, so I can. Yeah, that's what I meant, right? You have so much to do. Please lock in. Lock in, oh mother. You got this. I believe in you. And I will be locking into with this. I'll mess with your free doodles. Oh. Please learn to pre-allocate memory for your entities at some point. Pre-allocating memory, huh? Doesn't like C sharp already like do most of that for you though? Descend. Descend. Go back here. Where is? Oh, there is. There is you. Damn, I wish I thought of this before. uh, like planning out how to make everything and stuff. That way, it's not like a bore to just watch me figure stuff out on my own. Look, right? Okay. Shit, what was I doing here? Oh, I was gonna make the speed, the sending and stuff. Okay. I guess we can make it an integer for now. No, let's make it a float. Uh, Send speed. So we could call it a sync speed. Do we need a reference? We should get a reference to the controller. Is what I wanted to do. Now that I think about it, the input system is kind of just doing it already for us, huh? Well, if an enemy can at most have 3 copies of itself appear at one point on screen, you just need to make 3 of those enemy entities and just keep reusing their sprites in AI. Yes. I don't know what you mean by this, but okay. There's things called prefabs in Unity, so I feel like that's what you mean. I don't know. try the send speed. Right, so that should be ideally like I don't know what 2.0 F maybe. I don't know. We can try that out. Our movement that's gonna be based based on controller input. Oh my god. Wait, why is my keyboard even here? I have like a weird way of typing because I moved my keyboard all the way to the left side of my desk instead of like in front of my hands. Ooh. Ad break. Oh, ad break. Thank you for sitting through the ad. Oh my god, thank you for sitting through the ad. If you didn't hear that one, and thank you again. Thank you. Uh, based on controller input. Based on controller input. Oh, you're back. Yo, thank you for sitting through the ads. Hopefully, it wasn't too long. Uh, shoot. Based on controller input. What was I doing? Descent. We want an acceleration? I don't think we really need an acceleration though, do we? I guess it's like playing with the forces. We could set it into we can make it like a to do check if acceleration check if acceleration feels nicer, I guess. Yeah. But yeah. Movement. Should I call? Yeah, let's just call it movement. Uh, we do need to connect the controller though. Was it? Player controller. Player controller. So once that's initialized, we connect that. And from there, I want to say we just read this basically. We have no idea what it does right now. So, we go down, right? Third, two dot down. So, position. Never mind. Go transform. Position. To down. Multiplied. Oh shit. Aren't we only keeping track of the Y? Oh my, I forgot about the actual control. Like it's following the mouse. You know what? Why am I doing this when I can just copy paste my old code? Object pooling. What's that's what it oh, it's called. Oh, yo UUB. What's up? What's good? What's good? Welcome. UUB, I have a question for you. If at some point in the future I create like an indie dev company, would you join? Would you be like, you're setting up the crew? Let me in. I don't know if it'll work like that though. Kat said she's done with you. Commission. She's done with you. Oh wait. You made a commission for Meowvian? Whoa, you be wow, that's congratulations. Shit. Mayhaps. Oh, exciting. Shit, what was I doing? Oh, you know what? Yo, here, you can take a look at what I got so far. Look at this. Look at this fish plan. Okay, so basically we got like HP and we got this dude here. And the goal is you're fishing, right? But you don't want to hit the fish on the way down because if you do, you lose HP. And once you have no HP, you start reeling back up and you minimize your gains, basically. Oh, you're stuck with bad Wi-Fi? Oh fuck. Oh, you made it up, Zine? Oh, you fraudulent as always. Okay, no, I'm sorry. That was a joke. But yeah, so basically you got this fisherman and you're trying to reach all the way to the bottom here, and then you go all the way back up. And while you're going back up, you can catch as many fish as you can. And then yeah, you make a big catch. Big catch, big fun. And that's the idea. This is based off ridiculous fishing though. So right now we're just trying to recreate that experience. But like I'm having trouble as you can tell by this guy. He has a little bump on his head. And then look at my assets. Look at them. Look at them. Aren't they gold? They're gold. Okay, but yeah, back to real seriousness. I wonder if this gets like called like every once in a while or something like that. Let's try and see what happens. Oh, nice, it does. Okay, if you can see in the console here, it's only going when I'm holding it, which is exactly what I wanted. They look like they smile. That's what I said. The snack that smiles best, bro. I wonder if goldfish is still a thing. By the way, is there a specific part of the coding game that you like? You know what? Hmm. I think I just like it as a whole because there's so much you can do with it. You can be really organized, or you could be really scrapped up and just start making whatever you can, doing whatever you want, and seeing if ideas work out or not. But like this, I guess in particular though, I would like. I think AI sounds like really fun, but I've never actually made enough to like test out AI and stuff. Thinking back on it now, I didn't make that much stuff on my own time. Oh, you know what? Point systems are fun too. Like just general systems are cool in my opinion. Yeah, like Planet Meow combining the cats was really fun. And managing like the points and stuff. I guess it's like in a way it's like efficiency setups. Wait, let me actually do this though. Wait, let me look back at this though. Oh, I get it. I don't need a player controller. Wait, do I need a player controller? I don't really know. I guess it's easier just to say descend and then take something like the hook and then like You! QB, thank you! Whoop. Man, that's never gonna get old to me. I wish it could get old faster so I don't feel as embarrassed. Is there any part of coding in game dev you don't like when it gets messy? I learned a lot over the past years, and I gotta say, looking back at my original code just makes me cringe all the time because I'm like, fuck, I could have written that so much neater. I could have done this. I could have done this and that. And it's just like, yeah, you really just balk it up as you go. Well, that's natural though. Like I guess growth wise in a sense too. Shit, what was I doing? Oh, I guess this is more like movement. I wrote descend. I guess dot y plus equals movement down multiplied by multiplied by time dot delta time. I want to do it like that, but obviously that won't work. So we're gonna have to just make a new thing. Vector 2. Wait, what? Oh no no no, it's this. Oh, does not work. Cannot convert from. What you mean? This is not possible. Oh man. Fine. Just do just cheese it. I guess. No. Honestly, I don't know why I needed to do this that much. I could have just done this. I could have just done this. Actually, no. I do want to keep it like this, though. Ow. Oh man, I'm gonna have to like check the x-axis or like where we are on the screen to determine uh, the x-axis movement. But that's a problem for later, I suppose. Honestly, this is so useless right now. Well, at least it taught me how to do this. You know what? Let's just copy paste everything here. system. And then real action, real update. Instead of doing that, we actually trigger the movement. And from here, we save that as later. Okay. Yeah, this should be testable. We're gonna probably get rid of controller later on, but basically we just want to see this thing move down. Oh, oops. I don't need a player controller anymore. Oops. Okay. Oh wait, that's not even on the screen. Woohoo! All right, that's really slow. Okay, that's cool. We did that. That's very good. Um, and then we could do that. Honestly, only thing that really should do, we really should just add to the speed, shouldn't it? Okay, we can do that. Well, descent speed, boost, boost, I guess. Lost. Goes like, I don't know, F. And then instead of doing it like this, Mama, I'm ready for my show. Hmm. I want to add. I don't want to just add this into that, right? But we can't just modify it like that because then it will just. We want to get like a different thing. Let's make another flow. Speed. Oh my god, why? Uh. This would be more like a boost than anything. I mean, how much would a character sheet cost? Assuming no ghost discount. You making your own game? That's crazy. Boost. And instead, we just have movement like this. Instead of that, we make this take in. That's not what I wanted. Oops. Uh, road speed. That. Go reeling speed. Equals descent speed. Now it should just move down constantly. And when we add this, it boosts. Okay. Just think about it in the future. Oh, I don't think I have anyone I can reel into game dev. Reel into game dev? Oh! Oh! Forgot to reset it afterwards. This is very complicated. Yeah. Yo, that hook zoomed off. Whoa! Whoa! Yo, it's there. It's there. Whoa! Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay, that's boosting. Uh, what is this actually doing? Constant speed. This is the actual movement. That. Okay, so that's that. That's simply just ascending. But now we need to track the position of where we are. I really like the fisherman sprite. Thank you. I look at this dude. Okay, and now we have to point this camera inside here. So what that should theoretically do is that, yeah, it keeps track of the hook while you're going down, which is very nice. A very nice addition. But instead of doing that, we're gonna try something else. I really love that guy. Wait. How do I zoom in? How do I zoom in? Oh my god. Please just let me zoom in. Okay, whatever. I don't know why I drew him like this. Here. Beautiful. Thank you. This is for you. For you. Wait. You have like a halo, don't you? There. There, that's you. That's for you. Woohoo! Yippee! Here, I'll draw a little Meowvian too. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm trying to remember what Meowvian looks like. Oh my god. It's the eyes that get me. It's the eyes. Holy, holy. Okay, you know what, Meowvian? You just look like this now. I'm so dead. I'm so sorry, mother. Is there a little zine? What do you look like? Here, I'll draw you a Kirby. Oh my god. Oh my god. And he's wearing like a hat, right? Yo! Call me goaded. Call me goaded. Yo! Just bucket tool? Oh, you're so right. Wait. Wait. Oh, okay. Okay, wait. Okay. I'm so sorry, chat. Wait. Yo! We're doing it. Just gotta clean that up. Okay, let me try again. Let me try again. Let me try one more time. It's so derpy. Miyavi, what's wrong with you? Do you know about Moist Critical? I have no idea what happened with him. What happened? Alright, we did it though. Let's get back. Let's get look at him. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. What happened? Absolutely nothing happened with him, at least from his perspective. I don't know. Okay, I guess there's like a big drama thing that happened. Was there? I heard. I think I heard something like Dexerto make an article about the about Moist Critical, and I was like, oh shit, something happened, bro. Wait, let me search it up. Actually, I'm curious now. Yo, Reddit. Yo, Reddit, hook me in. There was a cancel attempt. Oh, I might be sued. He made a video called "I Might Be Sued." Oh my god. The dust is chasing drama. No, I just need to find out so I'm more knowledgeable. You know, if it comes up in a conversation, I can be like, "Oh yes, yes, I know what you were talking about," rather than just my usual what. Oops, I don't think you want the other name in your stream. I don't know. I don't know. Wait, let me make a sprite. Blue, blue, white, white. This is blue line. This is ocean. But now we're gonna make a duplicate and call this floor. And instead, that's gonna be like red because I detailed it as red for some reason. Whoa! This is a small idea, basically. The idea is that this will act as a bounds for later. And this is also a bounds object if you really think about it. It's just the top part. So yeah, these are like bounds. I'm gonna make a empty for it. We got hook, fish, player. Fish can just like I don't know, can just chill out, whatever. Wobber. Wobber? Yo, did someone redeem water? I didn't get a note for it. Wait. Wobber. Oh, you were talking about my wobber. Oh. Hey, look, literally anything else. Let's focus on that instead. That's me. I'm a master at procrastination. The one and only. Okay, so we did that. Uh we'll figure out like movement into other places later. Right now, let's try and get the camera to follow the fish, the hook. Oh no, you know what? Let's just do this for now actually. Uh add component, rigid body, 2D. Is it kinematic? It's kinematic. I just don't want to do any of the physics. Knock on my dad. Oh man, we're gonna have to add bounds to this too. Shoot, I didn't think of this through. I'm pretty sure this one's a static. I don't remember what I did with the others. I feel like I did this. Oh, you have to go? What? What do you mean? You didn't say bye to me? Well, goodbye, Yuki, anyways. Thanks. I will have a great stream. Man, Zian, are you taking over my stream? Yada. Yada. Okay. Now let's make another script. Oh my god. Uh, what would you call this? I guess I would call it a hook bound. Instead of updating these, oh shit, that's not good. We instead track for collisions, and then we do hook. No, not hook. Um, what was it called? It's a rigid body. Uh, rigid bodies. Thanks. I said I will have a great stream, not a mid stream. Too far? No. Oh my god. I am a mid streamer though. If you really think about it, like what exactly is there entertaining here? It's just me working. Monkey. Not this. Damn. Fuck. I don't remember anything. On. Oh, there we go. On condition. Enter 2D. Dot. Check back at tag. How do you get tags again? Game object. The tag to check for on this. Oh, okay, nice. And it's hook, basically. So if this is true, basically, I don't know why I put a semicolon. Make magic happen. I wish I had a notifier. Nah, get more confident. Repeat after me. Hey, my stream is great, and anyone who disagrees is wrong. Yo, facts. Facts. I'm a great streamer. I'm so great. Oh my god. Step Young. Oh my god. Woof. Woof. Oh my god. Shit. I am. Yo, Zine with the Wolf too. Oh my god, you've done it for 11 days. Yo, you hella fake, bro. Oh! Shit, why you made me howl now? I'm not even doing anything. Oh fuck. Oh my god, you're spending so much money. What happened? Oh my god. All right, I guess I have to go take a walk. Oh my, and now I got a rose in my mouth. Yo. Okay, wait. Let me be back. I'll be back, guys. Oh my god, so much shit is happening. Wait. Yo, yo, wait. No way. No wait, guys, check this out. Wait. What could this be? Oh my god. I found another bone! Yo! Oh my god. Oh shit, yo. Great walk. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Oh man. I would go on that walk again. I would go on that walk again. Oh, it's gone. Maybe I never took a walk to begin with. Maybe I never walked. Maybe maybe the maybe the bone was the friends we made along the way. corny ass line. Okay, wait. Well, now we have to make magic happen. Shit. What do we want to do here? We want to notify people, right? So it's like notify. Notify hook to go up. To go up. Oh, which means we have to switch states. Oh my god, we have to make an enum. Public enum hook state. Oh, I guess it's more like game state, isn't it? Oh my god. Okay, you know what? Shit, I don't want to make another singleton. You know what? It's fine. Well, we'll just have to make it. We just have to make another singleton. Why is my paint going through? Yo, Byunghead, did you see my art yet? This is my. These are my assets. It's beautiful. I know. It's beautiful. I'm so beautiful. Shit, what was I doing? Is this a fishing game? How'd you know? How'd you know? Game? Because of your beautiful art? How did you? Oh man, thank you. I could always use helpful comments like that. But yeah, this is the premise. I don't know if you noticed, those who know, but this game is based off ridiculous fishing. It's like an old mobile game. I used to play that a lot, and now it's like I don't know. I don't know what happened with it. It was very fun. But yeah, we're just trying to like simulate this for now and then work into our additions, which is like the gotcha, for example. I was thinking of like maybe making something like a roguelike too. But like let's keep it simple, one step at a time, you know? But yeah, so the initial game loop is like you start here with like as the player, and then you drop your hook. And as you drop your hook, instead of like hooking the fish immediately, you want to avoid them so you can reach the bottom. If you touch the fish as you're going down, you'll lose HP, and once you run out of HP, you immediately start reeling back up. So the goal is to go to the bottom so you can have the most of your catch, basically. You can get as much fish as possible. And yeah, from there, then on, it's just like an obstacle game. Ooh, yeah, he's making Tiger Tiger from Xenoblade 2. What's Tiger Tiger? And what's Xenoblade 2? Nah, I'm kidding. I know what Xenoblade 2 is, though. I understand it now. I understand it now. What a I understand it now. And then you just do it and wail on people. Okay, but seriously though, I have to make a game manager. Create empty. Game manager. This in there. Put this here. Honestly, I don't really need this. I could just attach it to the camera. You know what? I'll just keep it like this. Any game company win? That's crazy. Shit. How do I make a? What's a singleton thing again? Like instance. Game manager. Instance. How the hell do you do this? It's like on awake. When I do instance. Instance. Oh, it's a static, right? Shit, it's a static. Whoa, what the heck is that? items type. Just click static game manager instance. It's null instance next to this. That's pretty much it. All there is. And then we can set up states for the game. So public, it's like, call it fishing state. Do we really need like different fishing states? Oh, when it happens, type beat. Yo, say he wanna join. Yo, the creation of what would our company be called though? What would our company be called? It could be like we could have like a theme around it. I don't know what we do though. We don't even have like a streamer group kind of name or like a content creation kind of name. Offline TV times 2. Or I don't know. Ugh! Depends on what game slash genre we want to make. That's so true. Yeah. I feel like me personally, I just want to do RPGs at some point. Like, what if we branched out and did like everything? Isn't that crazy? Gotcha games? Oh shit. Depends on. Oh, yeah, that makes sense actually. Right? I don't remember the name of your team though. Oh, my ears. Spring Breeze Studio? Oh my god, like Kirby. Like Kirby, bro. Oh, you want to focus on narrative frames. Oh, I see. That makes sense. You do have like a lot of narrative style games. Uh, Fishing State. We have Real. You know what? I'm just name it after what I think it is. And then Sync, and then Real. Sync Hook. Oh shit. There's Sync, so you start going down. I'm not sure. Like Kirby, does that mean I'm getting hired? Are you like you could be our mascot? Nah. And spring represents the start of something new in Asian culture. Oh. Oh. That makes sense, actually. So narrative heavy games. Yeah. Nintendo is suing if I'm the mascot. No, we're gonna make a like a different kind of mascot, but like a similar image, you know? Man, fuck Nintendo. Nah, I'm kidding. Nintendo, please send me your games. I'm so sorry. I never said anything. I don't know what you're talking about, actually. Caught. 僕らは何を避けて進むのあの日を探しね I don't think we need an update. This is just like a I hold the data kind of object. That's the Windows key. That was the Windows key. Do you guys hate pressing the Windows key? I hate pressing the Windows key. Yeah, I forgot what I was gonna write here. Oh, singleton. That's that. Reference fields. And then we have I wanna say game state? No, it's fishing state. Make it public for now because I don't care. State. We can make a pause state too for later. I don't think we need a pause state. We just need on pause. Public on pause. Cool. It's false. Would you be happy if Nintendo just suddenly stopped existing as a company? I don't know what that means. I don't know what that would prepare us for. As in, be remembered for what it does now or in the past before it can be remembered for anything it does in the future. So like it just stops like existing. Like literally what you just said, like it was there and then they just blew up basically. They like I wiped off the face of Earth. I would cry because I feel like all the potential is just gone. No one owns Nintendo anymore. Or like their IPs and shit. And it's just like, what the fuck? History. An entire culture just gone. Die a hero or live long enough to become a villain. It's too late. They're not heroes anymore. It's too late. That's what I think. Actually, it's not too late. I have hope. I have hope that someone will come in line and be all like, we must go back to our roots. And then they create games for the sake of creating games instead of money, bro. Like, come on. That'd be so great, though. The good ending. You heard of Stop Killing Games, right? Oh, that's like a. I don't really get into politics, so when I heard of that slogan, I was like, is this like a political movement for games? But I get it though, as a gamer. It's probably like I don't know. I don't know anything. I don't know. Shit. Oh, Hook. Right. Okay. Wait. Jeez. Instance. What? This is not. Oh. My fault. Instance. Switch. Oh, break. Um, Ace. State. Sync. We go here. Pick this. Put this here. Format this. Break. We're done. Ace. Fishing. State. Hooked. We're just gonna do this, but instead it's going up. Wait, what did you say? Basic idea for online multiplayer games: give the players a way to keep running the servers, even if the companies themselves don't want to run it themselves. Oh, yeah, honestly, they should just do that though. If the companies don't want to run the servers, but people are still playing the game and they enjoy it, then like give it to the players, right? That makes sense. Wait, why can't I do this? That's declared but never used. You mean it's declared but never used? You're clearly used here. Oh, it's already defined in the scope. Okay. Alright, fine. I'll just bring you out scope. There we go. Oh. There we go. This is up. Yay! Wow. Honestly, this does not have to be as complex as it is right now. We could just like take this, put it at the end here, like this, delete that. What's going on? Oh. 0? Is that not a thing? But no, how can we make you buy generic shooter 2 if generic shooter 1 is still available? Money. It's not what I wanted. It's not what I wanted, guys. It's not how you initialize it. Oh my god. Obviously, I meant Unity. Why are you even in here? Oh my god. Unreal Engine is making me feel bad thoughts. This shit cannot be industry standard. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? What exactly is troubling you with it? Also, I don't need this, apparently. Do I? What? Oh my... Okay, fine. What? Vector 2, not Vector 2. Whatever, you're just new now. I don't care. Reorder operands for better precision performance. Oh, that's true. Oh, you spent the past 2 hours trying to make VS 2022 Visual Studio 2022 work with Unreal, but because I didn't download an extension previously, everything is thrown out the window. Oh my god. That's that's whack as heck. 3 hours? Also, Unreal doesn't work with you see. Oh my god, that sucks as hell. What? There's no like plugins for it or anything. You can't just be all like, "Thank you, library," and then import that shit and it works. I thought, damn, you're actually like coding in C++ instead of like using the what did you use? Like the recipes? Is there recipes? Oh no, it's blueprints. It's blueprints. There we go. Yeah, yeah, you're right. Blueprints. It says it does, but if you don't have VS 2022 installed, you cannot create the project. What? Oh, that's weird. You'd rather learn. Oh, okay, that's fair. That's fair. I think that's like a better, like, in terms of like career path, that would make sense. Yeah, I think the last time I tried to work with Unreal, I did blueprints because that was just the given at the time. But C++ is probably gonna be pretty tricky though. I don't actually know C++, Chad. Did I ever tell you that? Like I went to my there's like this game dev class in college that will teach you how to do C++. But the one I took apparently was like this weird knockoff version where they never actually taught you how to do stuff with C++. So I've never actually figured that out. And I feel really guilty because like holy fuck, this is not it. TS this shit. Because you love the garbage collector. Yeah. But no, I honestly wished I could have learned C++, but god damn. College is a scam. Okay, let's look at this again. Because clearly all we're doing here is we're reversing the direction. So instead of doing that. Actually no, because like when we're done, we don't want to move at all, don't we? Hot break. No movement. Go up. Go down. The classes were a scam. Yeah. Most of the time it was just like do it yourself, forehead. I mean, I guess I don't know, because I feel like college in general is always just like they're like, "Oh, do it yourself," ha ha ha. Because that's what I heard from like a lot of different people, like or like people older than me. You know, it makes sense because like in the real world, you're gonna have to find your own skills. But like, come on, at least fucking like give me a clue, you know? Uh, shit, what was I doing? Oh, I was doing this. Resonate. Oh my god, I love you to you. If there was a 2U concert in America, I would go to the 2U concert. I'm a big 2U fan. She's she's so great. Her songs are so like emo. Fuck, what was I doing? Oh, I was a manager. Instead of notify hook to go up, notify peeps. Notify peeps. Shit. I should probably make a notify class. But that's for later. You know what? Let's just make a direct connection and test shit out. Public game manager. Game manager, I guess. To do notify peeps. But like right now we're gonna do game manager. We're just testing shit out, so it doesn't matter. Manager. Oh wait, what are we doing? Fishing state. Okay. Oh wait, we don't even need to set this up. We can just go to the singleton and be all like, "Yo." I forgot that's why I made the singleton in the first place. It's the fishing sink. Hooked. Oh, actually, you know what? To make it even easier, you make a different thing. Public fishing state. Convert state. Basically. And instead of doing this, we just set it up in the inspector, and then we just gear it to whatever we want it. And it's like, oh, crazy, crazy. Okay, okay. Weird knockoff. That's a scam. Enough. They should be giving the real life experience. Yes. They should have really fucking like grilled us. You know, there was one class or like one class with this one teacher who really grilled us. And I appreciate that class because like they actually taught me stuff. And we're like, yo, you should do it like this. You should figure it out on your own and think for yourself, you worthless specimen, basically. And I was like, wow, this is actually what I wanted. Everyone else in the class was like, oh fuck, no. But I was like, come on, man. It was tricky though. They were like, you know, you have those students who are like, nah, I don't want to fucking do this shit. And then you have the students who are like, this shit is easy, bro. Tilts glasses. And I'm like, bro, oh my god. He's better than me. Yeah, like, no, I don't have that much experience. So 10 out of 10. Oh, you're too kind. You're too generous, man. What the heck? Rate Cat's coding skills. Yo. Yo. Yo, what if we got Meowbian to code? Yo, Meowbian, make a program. Hello world. Yo, that's your first program. You tried? Whoa, that's actually kind of crazy. What happened? Oh wait, let me attach this. Look bound. Look bound. To cot. Ocean to cot. And then take this hook, move it all the way down here. Oh, oh. AIVN. Beep boop boop bop. I command you to make me some art. Boop, 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 boop. Start sticking in your butt, twin. What? What? Or at least I tried explaining and she gave up. Oh. Yeah. That was like when we were trying to teach Meowth Smash. And then like I wanna say like 10-20% went through. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, like to yeah, 10-20%. Dude, why is this camera weird though? Uh Let's see this shit. Oh wait, I didn't even attach a tag to this. Wait. Add tag. Hook. Save. Nice. Save. You are now hook. Okay. Save. Play. Let's see this shit happen. Oh! Are. 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 Wait, something was supposed to happen there. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh shit. Wait. But seriously though. Why didn't this work? Oh, it's because I didn't. Did I give you a? Did I live? I feel like I gave you a collision object. No 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 no. Oh my god! Thank you for the water. Hot take: requiring artists' permissions to use art in AI problems isn't enough to stop AI's invasion of art. Ah, I go get water too. Yeah, go get your water. I'll still be here. We're cussing. I'm sorry. I read that, but I didn't process it at all. No, 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 no. That's wait. I don't think that's a hot take though. That's more like a normal take, right? It's already over because AI is just gonna be AI, and people are always gonna vouch for effortless stuff because we're lazy, right? Requiring artists permission to use art in AI programs isn't enough, and requiring artists permission to use art isn't enough. Yeah, because people do illegal shit all the time. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like that would stop. Like, let's suppose that people don't just do illegal shit all the time, like piracy and stuff like that, and then uh you have to ask the artist permission to make AI content. I feel like 95% of artists will say no because it's their fucking art. It's their, they worked hard for this shit and you just want to like copy pasta some shit, like copy pasta morph it a little. No, even if it has 100% magical enforceability, oh, like it's still not enough. I don't know. Do you think like AI would be able to just make their own art without any references though? Ugh. Like, like for humans, honestly, we use a lot of stuff to reference everything. It's like that's crazy when you think about it. Like, if you think about Kirby, like he's pink. Like, think about other stuff that comes into Kirby. You're funny. Of course, artists aren't gonna agree if you call it the AI's art or your person's art. I don't know. It's not supposed to be kinematic. Shit. I gotta check this again. Uni rigid body 2D are not affected by physics forces, but they can still detect collisions. Okay. 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 Great. So that's exactly what I want to do. What percent of artists would say no if you could offer them an AI that could make art in their style that they can say it's theirs, with the buyer being none of the wiser? All they need to do is use your AI subscription. You can still do art physically if they like a commission or commissioner. But like, where's the soul in that? Ugh. If you're an artist or a creator in general, I don't see any reason to accept. That's what I'm saying. I don't. That's just fraudulent. Shouldn't you put your soul into the creative works that you generate? Yeah. Yeah, if money is the problem and you're willing to sell, that's up to you though. Oh, like money wise. I'm sure people don't get into art just because they want money. Like, Quebble Cobb. Okay, Zine. I think we had enough of your little AI rant. Oh shit, this was not it. Nice. Was getting bored. No, that's fair. You're still allowed to yap. Don't worry. You can't judge them because that's the decision they made. But as an artist or creator, if you like creating the things you make, then why take the joy out of it? Mm, that's a good point too. Okay, wait. Seriously though, I do want to get this done. What does static do? Maybe the problem is that I'm choosing static. Static are essentially immovable. They are not affected by physics force. Are often used for environmental elements. Oh, oh, I used the wrong thing. I'm supposed to attach collider, box collider to the. Wait, I think I actually do need the rigid bodies though, too, though. Shit. That's probably fine. Damn, it's been a while since I done stuff, huh? Whoa, go down. What? Oh my god, nope. Talking about things most people agree on gets boring. That's fair. You want a little chaos in your life. You want to cause trouble. Huh. Why is the colliders not mapping or some shit? Alright, let's just search in the box collider. Unity. Collision detection. When attached to a game object, the box collider defines a solid volume that other objects. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, I get it. Okay, I don't need this then. I don't need the rigid bodies. I just need to act as a trigger. Right? Does this work? Where are the what did I set up for the hook bounds? What does unconditioned enter do? Unconditioned enter D. Sent when an incoming collider makes contact with the object's collider. Hmm. Information about the collision is reported in 2D parameter passed during the call. If you don't need this information, then you can declare. Hmm. Is it even working? Nah, I'm bland. I'm peaceful too. Oh, brain dead. Oh, how's the Uma going? I haven't played Uma in like forever. Oh. Uma, what do you think made him brain dead? That's probably Uma. What? Why are you also caught? Should be in sync. Wait, no, you should be in hooked. Hot takes? Hmm. Pineapple is good on pizza. No one, please don't be mean. Please. Please, please. I'm just dog. I'm just ghost dog. I already died. I can't handle another death. That's the level of hot takes I have. I'm very peaceful. Shit, why is this not working though? Maybe it's on trigger enter. Never mind. Okay. I'm gonna try this. Trigger, enter 2D. Yeah, there we go. Maybe it really is on this though. Because on trigger underrated animes. If you have the size tolerance of a toddler, yes. I'm not that spicy of a person. I do not enjoy drama or controversy. Underrated animes? Yo, recently I've been reading what was it? What was it called? Gotta check it again. 2.5D 2.5 dimensional seduction, bro. It's literally just like it's it's so like it's so fan servicey. But like it's about what is it? Cosplaying. Oh my god, why is my brain just not working? On trigger enter 2D. It's about cosplaying and it's like this dude and he hates 3D women. He sounds like a fucking insult. But then he grows as a person. It's literally just like I just enjoy how people grow in the manga and it's so fun to watch where they're like, "Oh my god, you're right. I shouldn't do shit like this." And then they grow as a person. It's so fun. But there's a lot of fan service shit and it's like pretty harming me and I'm like, "Oh, this is why I wouldn't. This is why we're cringe anime fans." Why does hot takes equals drama? Because that's literally what a hot take is. If it was not hot, then it got no drama. It's like, right? What's a hot take that doesn't have drama? You can disagree without being angry. You can do that, but society won't. Ah, no. Jeez, my back. So this sent when another object enters a trigger collider attached to this object. Okay, okay, so this is it. Okay, so this should work now, I hope. But I double clicked. Oops. Yeah, that's their problem. That's their problem. Damn. Oh damn, this still didn't work. Oh my god. Please. I just want you to work. If only I could just open my old project and then look at that. Oh wait, did I not? I don't think oh yeah, that's why. I forgot about that step. I didn't set the triggers. Yeah. What? Why did that not work? I wanna be tate. Wait, solution found. Artists can just put hand drawn guaranteed in their terms of. Ooh, kind of solves it. For what? For what problem? The AI thing where they could just be like, "Oh, AI, make me my money," and then they just lie. Basically, they're like, "Yes, I totally hand you this." AI, you better not say shit, bro. What? Oh, that makes sense. You definitely did not say that though. Shit, what's I doing? Collision detected. Equals convert state. The problem is it's just not connecting anything. Maybe it is, but the hook is just wrong. Because gives grounds to sue if caught. But like, what if you just don't put that in? You know? Oh my god, it's not even detecting it. It's just flat out just not working, this method. What the hell? You're supposed to work, dog. I wanna be that Oh, one of them has to have a rigid body. Okay. Fine. Man, that's kind of weird. Why is it a key and a lock thing? I like the Godot's system better. What is this? What am I? What am I? Pneumatic. Don't put that in. Good luck getting sales when everyone hates AI. That's fair. Oh my god! Oh my god, we did it! Holy fuck. That's crazy. That's crazy! Oh my god, we finally got our loop in. And now we can animate our fish, basically. Oh, this part is gonna be rough. But it's okay. Scenes. Create mono behavior. What the fuck? Why am I creating a script in a scene? Whatever. Fish. Fish. All right. So basically, I'm gonna attach some basic fields. Got like, I don't know, value, integer value. What did I get? Movement AI worth sprite. Nah, that's me. Okay, well we just got value. This is gonna make serialized field. movement AI. IA. So like I don't know, like a fish move. But right now we're just gonna make it move very generically. Uh, integer span distance. Is that bad? Is that poorly named? It's unused. Oh, okay. Distance. Yeah, where's my hook? Give me this. Honestly, we could complicate it more than it necessary. Nah, we're just gonna take this. I'm gonna take that, paste it, take this, cut that out, paste this in, take this, destroy that, go here, press space, copy integer speed. I'll play a float actually. Serialize field. Well, gonna save you the existential crisis and head to bed now. All right. Good night, Zine. Thanks for coming by. Oh, distance, speed. Like this. And then uh not only do we do that, I think pretty much we're just doing the right side. So me them me. Basic movement. Two. I'd say like three, maybe. One. Yo, we're almost there. Okay. I should have probably made you left rather than right. Because, you know, the spray is facing left. Detected. Yeah, we're doing pretty high. Pretty well. Alright, so for this one, tell hook to knife. Okay, hook. Dude, there's a lot of data here. I can push this up later. Does it float? Let's make it int and then help. Bell hook to lose a life. All right. That's movement. Here. Oh, check. Help. game manager dot instance dot it's to booked. There we go. That's that. How do we decrease health, you ask? We do it in a method. Help. I don't know why I shouldn't bear. I'm just trying to declare it as you. Okay, nice. Very nice, very nice. That's public. Hook. Oh, we have to. Oh, shit. Now we have to think about how we're gonna tell them the communication line. You know what? Let's just attach hook into this bad boy. Hook, hook. And then go to fish. Go to here. Go game manager that instance that hook dot lose health. That's pretty much it. Ooh. I realized we could edit this to be its own value too. Damn. Okay, that's pretty cool. Damage. Okay. You know what? We could go even more technical and change the health and the damage into floats and then make it all like whoa. Whoa, fish some fish do more damage than other fish or some shit like that. So be careful. Well, be careful regardless, but like that would be cool, you know? And now it's like varying levels of threats or like obstacles. All right, go here, attach hook, save, play. Oh, oh no, 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 no. I just realized I didn't attach a, a body to this. Uh, box collider 2D. Okay, what we got? What we got? I don't think that worked. Hey, that's not working. Does it work for the others though? It works for the others, right? What? Oh, oops. Collapse. Okay, there we go. Hook detected. All right. Collision detected. Collision detected. Okay, nice. Which it is. Right. I hope it is. Lose health. Go to here. Oh, we don't really have a way of showing how much health we have, though. Okay. Theoretically. Oh, we didn't. We didn't even lose health. All right. Well, let's just move you here. Yo, it worked. But now we went past the fucking ocean. What? Wait, why didn't that one work? It's the ocean. I should have swapped it to caught. Does it not convert? Uh, okay. This might be the last thing I do though. Collision detected. Into switching to. How do you do this? It's like question mark or like percentage? Yeah, it's like this. Convert state. There we go. I forgot what this is called, but you can do that by the way. And it's like very handy if you want to test out your variables. Can I not like convert there? Is that weird? I feel like that should work though. Switching to cot, but it doesn't switch to cot. Cause why though? I just didn't even switch. It was like no, I don't want to. I don't want to. Oh, it's constantly setting it as hooked. I just realized that. So we gotta uh Gotta check the game manager instance switching state. Now there's an even better way to do everything. Just put this in a switch. Wait, give me this. I don't know if we need this for something else in the future, but I'll include this. And we don't need this. Got the movement check here. Only use movement when this is happening. What if I just move this outside to here? What speed? Oh, I remember why we did that. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna have to have two separate things, which is weird. I'll think about it later. But right now, this should be it. Now they're only wish to check once we're in the sinking phase, and then after that we just hook and hook and hook. Oh wait, you know what? Once we're in the hooking state, we can start obtaining value. Dude, I'm gonna have to copy this so many times. Man, I wish anime started using Hololive songs in their OPs and EDs, endings. Is there anything else I need to do? Caught fish value. Go to the fish. Basically, I should add the fish. So we go to the hook and we go in here, make a public void, add fish, 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 fish. Oh wait, it's caught fish, isn't it? Add fish. That's literally it. Oh, and then I guess we could like tally up the value at the end, but it'll be fine. Let's make one right now. Void value each. Oh my god, I'm so used to just semicolon everything. Fish, fish, and fish. Codfish. There's so much fish words right now. Value? Is it value? Do I have a value? Value equals fish dot value. Maybe we just make it so that, yeah, we do the state switching here. Oh, hi Shima, welcome. I'm currently coding. How are you doing? Are you doing great? Welcome. I'm making a fish game. Do you want to see it? I only have like the bare bones right now. I'm trying to add a bit more so it's a lot more interesting. But yeah, state switch, state. Oh, that's fun. Yeah. Hmm. Honestly, we don't really need the. I think we just proceed. Honestly, it's like a list. I mean, like a node, like a chain, basically. Was technically at school for 12 hours. Oh my god, that sounds terrible. What did you do? Did you like have your normal classes and then you go to like clubs? Oh my god. Or did you have like some meetings that you had to go to? Oh man. You know what? Let's go with advanced fish state. And it's more like, oh, yeah, fishing state. Case. Case. Fishing hooked. Oh my god, please. Please get me out of this hell. School dance? Oh my god! Wow, it was only about 2 hours, but I helped set it up, so 2 extra hours, and then like 8 people cried there. It was amazing. Oh my god! Like cried in happiness? That sounds great. Yo, good job, Shima. We like to hear that. Thanks. Oh wait, default actually. Not happiness. Oh, like sad. Sad. Wait, that sounds terrible. They just cried because oh no. I don't want to even imagine. I don't want to even imagine. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. This one doesn't have any. That's literally it. Alright. Oh, some kid walked to McDonald's and stuff. I think that it's a few miles away. Oh, and you got fries. Nice. That's great. That's a dub. That's a W. Amazing first dance of the year. Trust, trust. Okay, okay. Damn. Damn. People cried though. Sad. Did you dance with your friends or anyone? Did you actually dance? Me personally, it was my friends was there. I'd I'd flaunt as my shit, bro. I'd flaunt so hard. No one would expect it. But if it's like my family, that's if it's like anyone else, I'd be like bro, who the fuck are you? And then just walk away. You dance too much. Nice. But you're way too tired and you need to sleep. Understandable. Well, if you need to go to bed, I will not stop you. Please rest, Oshima. You have worked extra hard today, honestly. Good job. T Y Y Y Y Y Y Y. Wait, let me drink some water though. Mm-hmm. Yeah, of course. I just gotta finish this up, I think. Okay, yeah. Well, as you can see, it's in the beginning stages. Look at this beautiful graphic. I'm gonna explain it to you. So we have this right here. This is you. This is your fisherman, and then you like drop your line, and it starts sinking. And as it sinks, you're trying to avoid the fish. I know it sounds contradictory. You're like fishing, but not fish. What? But no, no, no. See, if you hit the fish now, you'll lose HP, and when you like have no HP left, you immediately begin to reel. So like, let's say you like dodge this fish, but then hit this fish, and you don't have like any more HP. You immediately start going back up when you could have avoided that fish and gone even deeper. And once you go deep enough, you begin to reel upwards, and you can catch all the fish that you dodged on the way. So yeah, that's the premise. This game is based off um I don't know if you know this, but there's this game called Ridiculous Fishing, and their thing is you reel in all the fish up and you throw them in the air and then you shoot them all with like a gun, and that was so satisfying. It's an incredible premise. So that's what I have right here. You got a fisherman, you got a little hook, and you got the fish. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out like code wise how to abstract all the data and stuff. Which is like, that's just code. That's like you don't need to know too much. But look at this. Whoa! Whoa, I'm saying set back up. And then I got this. I got all the way up here. That's it. That's the thing. That's what it do. Oh. Okay. Let me change the box collider so it's not like awkward. It's only on the bottom. Oh, come on. Okay, you know what? Let me move you out here. I'm supposed to like make it so like the hook technically you can move it from side to side, so it's a lot easier to dodge obstacles rather than just like sink straight down. But that's in the works. And then you get that fish basically, and you drag it back up with you. But yeah, that's the normal. That's all the basics covered right now. I just gotta. Hmm. Wait, this should be A. I just gotta like fix up everything and do do the software engineering, I guess. Software planning. We should add a cat to the game. Yeah, that's the plan actually. Yavin was here earlier, but I don't know if she is now. But eventually, I want the premise of the game to be you are feeding Yavin. And in turn, she's giving you gotcha currency. Yeah. Uh, what was I doing here? Honestly, this is already good enough. I don't think I need to attach a notify, but I will leave it here just in case. That's very good. I can classify this much more. I definitely have to fix this up, but and this too, that's on the to-do list. Player controller, I have to delete this. I'm not using that. Yeah, that's everything, I think. Okay, well, I'm gonna call it a night right now. Oh man, I do wanted to play. I did want to play Hades and finish it up, but we can wait for tomorrow or some other time. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Here is my little artwork that I drew in the beginning. If you guys could see it. Bye bye. Bye, Shima. Have some good rest. Get ready for the weekend. Oh boy, it's already the weekend too. Oh, happy day. Yeah. All right. I think I have a movie I'm planning on watching this weekend, so I'm happy for that. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Okay. Or maybe I'll be back to play Hades 2 over the weekend or some shit. I don't know. But okay. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Good night. Bye bye.